Good morning. Today is July 7. Nakaligo na pala tayo. Pero hindi mo na ako nag-bis. PJs pa rin yung suot ko. 8:30. Si Ola kasi tulog pa. Ayoko mag-ingay doon. Para kumuha ng damit. And si Jan nandito na. Hinihintay niya yung gawa ni Papang mango shake. And doon sa kusina, nagluluto na sila Papa. Ang aga ni Papa mamalengke. At saka si Mama ata na malengke din. Yan yung kanyang mango shake. Favorite niya ang mango shake ni Papa. Kahit bumibili kami sa labas, mas gusto niya yung gawa ni Papa. Kasi yung kay Papa, pure talaga. Hindi rin naman natin alam kung nagdadagdag ng ibang pangpatamis yung mga nagtitinda. Hindi rin natin alam. Pero mas gusto niya talaga yung kay Papa kasi pure, ano siya, gatas. Yung pampatamis sa kanya, condensed. Nice, babe? Huh? The best? Good morning! How's your itchy? May mga kagat na naman siya. Wanna drink?
Guess what's new?
What's new? What's new? Oh no! Gustong-gusto niya yung bubbles dito. Kasi kakaiba. Compare sa Australia. Sabi ko, pag naubos yan, dadali namin. Tapos refill na lang.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Too quick, slowly. We can buy bubbles somewhere later. Oh wow! Oh, that's a lot. Lagay tayo ng off. Nakailan na kaming ganitong off kay Holly. Tingnan niyo. Meron naman siyang mga bagong kagat. Kahit sa Australia, pag nakakagat siya ng lamok, ganyan talaga. Nagsiswell right away. Right, babe? Even in Australia. And si Tita, binigyan ako nito para pang sa ano din ni Holly. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng powder. Ito yung parang, ang amoy niya parang white flower na nagta-tiger balm. Ganon. Ilagay ko raw sa mga kagat-kagat. And effective naman to. Come on, nak.
I'm allergic.
I'm allergic, so. Can you smell it? Ang tapang din nito. Ang amoy niya. Okay. Where else, Mom? Okay, Mom. Feel better, Mom, with the massage?
Is this the massage?
Yeah.
I can't pay $40.
You cannot pay me $40?
No, because this is not even a massage.
Oh my God.
The massage is like this.
I know. Alright. O, diba? And eto din, bigay ni Tita. Yun nga, may amoy siya, guys, na parang
I think they just
smell like
those mosquito patches.
yeah, parang mosquito patches. Kasi meron din siyang mosquito patches.
What if we just put 2 mosquito patches in a
You get-
plastic bag and then put this in?
Yeah, you got 2 patches on your here and then back, front and back.
Let's go see what my Lola made for breakfast. I'm very hungry now, Mom.
You're hungry now? I can smell the fried rice.
I smell bacon.
Bacon. Yeah, there is bacon. Oh, that's Lola Offelder. Oh, say good morning. Ayan, bacon, eggs, hot dog. May fried rice din. Tapos, hi ta. Magmamalunggay for lunch. And meron tayong, ayan, nagluto na sila nito. Masarap to. Tapos mayroon tayong, ayan ulit, latik. And ayun yung fried rice. Gonna eat now? Opo. Kain na daw siya ng breakfast. What do you want?
I want 1 egg, fried rice, and 1 hot dog.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Here's your order.
In the Philippines, we say salamat po.
Salamat po.
But in Australia, we say thank you, mom or dad. Or kuya.
Okay. Meron ulit tayong delivery. Hello. Sige. Sa kuya. Another package. Hindi pa natin nabubuksan yung ano. Ang dami pa natin hindi nabubuksan, guys. Nandito ko lang nilalagay. Okay. Ayan, dito ko lang nilalagay yung mga nabili natin sa ano, online. Sak, do you wanna eat? You're still full? Okay. How about you, kuya? You wanna eat? Later. Okay. So, ayan yung ano niya, patches. Naglagay ulit ako sa kanya. Put it. Close it, baba.
I got it. You mean zip this set up? The deodorant.
No, sorry, there's a...
You gonna wear your uglies?
There's 6 flights. No, you got 8 flights this whole trip.
How many?
8.
Mom, I've got a question. So you know how that little boy kept selling grapes and mango?
Mm-hmm.
And you said, see, he's only 8 or 9. You should work. And I want to.
He shouldn't work.
I want to sell.
He shouldn't.
Yeah, because he's too young to work.
Can I sell lemonade out in Australia? Make money
Yeah. But where are you gonna sell it?
in the front of our yard.
Do you think someone will come and buy?
Well, somewhere.
No, you won't make any money home.
Yes, I will.
Unless Charlie comes.
Alas stress. Guys, nakano na pala ako, naka-PHS. Alas kami ni Jam, punta kami ng LCC kasi may bibiling kami. Hindi, alas stress. Alas 5. Pinali ng baga. Ayan, meron kaming pili. Mawala ko lang kumain ako mamaya. Ako, mahilaw pa. Ini ano, ma? Oo, sako yan. Sako. Ang ulam, may lato. Nganta mo niya sa kita nagkalato, ma. Ay, sa ibong tadan ako mang lato. Tapos, prito. Yan ang ulam na. Nasaan yung gulay, ma? Ayan. Gulay na malunggay. Okay, alis kami ni Johnny Boy. Car. Oh, it's not here. Okay, alis na kami, guys. We're going to tricycle. Wait, hon.
Not many people.
No. It's hot. Dapat doon kayo sa LCC. Dito na lang kami sa South Star Drug. Kasi meron naman dito sa South Star Drug. That's the one. Omega. And Ipica Scent Oil, the big one. Omega Scent Oil. Here. Or get this bigger.
No,
Ipica Scent Oil. Or you just want this one. Or this one, the bigger.
this is hot.
That's the hot one. And kuha rin ako nitong Tiger Balm Mosquito Repellent Patch kasi paubos na naman yung kay Holly. Tayong dalawa. Try ko din tong Tiger Balm na spray. I'll try this one, Han. Spray. Spray. Mosquito Repellent Spray. I'm gonna get the change here. Dito na pala kami sa Graceland. Ayan na yung order. Dapat, ano siya, cheese mac. Kaso naubusan sila. So, yan na lang. Spaghetti with lumpia Shanghai. And eto, nag-order ulit ako. Kasi baka kulangin siya. Wala sila yung alone lang na lumpia Shanghai. Merong talagang kasamang rice. And nag-order akong halo-halo para sa akin. Sabay kasi ako kakain. Kasi masarap yung ulam doon. Ayan yung halo-halo, guys. Ayan, halo-halo. Pina-take out niya dyan yung lumpia Shanghai na may rice. Kumain lang siya at isang lumpia Shanghai dun sa may rice na yun. Tapos pina-take out niya. Ayaw niya mag-halo-halo kasi baka kumukilan siya niya. Ha? Okay, okay. Tapos yung bata ng pera. Ayun. Mayroong bata dyan, binili ng pera. I-take out ko na lang to kasi baka mabusog ako. Gusto kong kumain na gulay na malunggay na may sardina. Masarap yung ulam namin. I-take out ko na lang to. Humingin ako na pag-take away. And pupunta pa kami sa LCC para bumili ng something para dun sa mga batang gustong bigyan ni Jan. Bilan niya raw ng fudge at saka kung ano pa. Dito na siya. Yan, kumuha na siya ng maliit na basket. Ah, wala ka mo. Ah, they only have the peanuts, huh? Ah, this one, they will love this one. The Super Crunch, that's a good one. And get the green one too. That one. Yeah. Because that one is...
Yan po dun sa dulo, ma'am. Apo.
Yan, pinag-shopping niya para dun sa... Ah, just get the big one, Han. Big, because it's bigger. No, this one is bigger. 250. It's bigger than the Sesto. Get the mango one. Yeah, that one. Big. Ibibigay niya lang yan doon sa ano, mga bata. Yung mga kalaro ni Holly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you sure they're in the box?
Yes. Ito, bilhin to ni Mama. Ay, ano to? Bakit ang ano na ang tigas? Okay lang yan? Ah, sige. Tulog kasi, okay. Yan, bayad na siya. And ito yung nakuha ko, yung canola at saka yung sa, ano daw, sa plato. Kuha para ako ng isang big mango. Etong mango po. Yan. Apo, salamat. Ibabak sana ni Kuya. Sabi ni Jan, wag i-box. Ilagay lang daw sa eco bag. So, ayun. Pina-eco bag niya. Okay? Ayan, binigay niya na.
Where's that and the other one?
I don't know. Hinahanap yung bata. Apo din na, boy. Apo din na po. Ayan, bigay. How about the Sesto? Yeah, bigay mo raw sa kanya. Kuya, may kutsilyo ka? Opo. Kuya, may ano ka? Sinay, may ano ka? Kutsilyo? Kutsilyo? Luway, luway. May nag-abot. Salamat. Salamat, be. Tulo. Boy, kuha na ni boy. Okay. Hati-hati na lang ka mo, ha? Yeah, oy, mag-share-share ka mo, ne, ha? Mag-share-share ka mo ka mga aki-igdi, ya?
Tarawan mo na. This one.
One? Just get the oil out. And then the canola. Here, Han, here. Be, nakahikaw, be. Ikaw, be. Magpasalamat ka, be, ha? Mag-share ka mo dayo. I-share mo sa mga aki, be. Okay? I-share mo iyo. Oh, thank you daw, Han. Okay. I-share mo, baby, sa mga ano pa, ha? Kalaro mo. Salamat. Share na lang kayo, ha? Share. Thank you po. Thank you. Kasi sa doon kila Auntie Jo. Nagano siya ng foodie. So, yun yung efficacent oil or yung omega pala to. Yung efficacent oil nakabalot din sa bubble wrap. Ayan na. Thanks, Ma. Hinahanap ko si Johnny Boy. Where did you go? Bread? Bumili siya ng tinapay. Pumunta siya sa bakery. Bumili siya ng tinapay. What? Have you tried before? That's good. Like crinkles. Remember I made... Yeah.
Probably was, though. That's what
The cinnamon... What you call that? Cinnamon?
Let's go off. What, you
I don't want... I'm so full. Thank you. Is it fresh? Soft? Gustong gusto niya yan, guys. Glazed sugar. Just glazed sugar, right? Yeah, there's glazed sugar. The... Yeah. Malaking ano siya, yung crinkles. Yeah. But the one I made is softer. Gusto niya lang magpa-picture sa mga friends niya. Picture. Picture na daw. Middle ka daw, no? Sige na, closer. Okay, smile. Wait. Yan. Hindi ko pala nababanggit na si Jan ay magpa-fly siya pa Manila. Then bukas ng gabi, flight back siya sa Australia. Kasi mag-a-attend siya ng funeral ni dad niya. And kami, hindi na kami sasama kasi babalik din si Jan after 3 days. So, si Jan lang ang pupunta ng Australia for 3 days. So, ihatid kami ni Uncle. Ang sasama si Zach tsaka si Holly paghatid kay Jan sa Legazpi. Si Kuya hindi na sasama. Kuya, are you sure you're not coming? You're okay, Baba? Only 3 days. And Daddy will come back, right?
Yeah, Baba.
In-explain na ni Jan sa kanila. So, anong oras na? Alas 3:30 kami aalis. Ayan si Zach, sasama yan. Dito na si Uncle. Siya yung maghatid sa amin ngayon. Zach! Alis na siya. Bye-bye na to, Auntie. Saka si Holly. Yan. Hoy, come no. Yeah. Okay. Yan yung dadalhin ni John. Nagpaalam siya dun sa yung inaalaga ni Auntie. Kasi laging kalaro ni ni Holly. Backpack. Oh, your best friend.
Is there any ants?
Why? You feel ants? May langgam. Where's your hair? Laging siya pagod. See ya. Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Okay.
I hope.
Bye-bye. Mama.
Bye. Bye.
Yeng.
See ya.
Amoy barbecue. Amoy barbecue. Bye-bye. Amoy barbecue. Ocean. Sabi ni Zach, 2 beses pa lang daw siya nakakita ang stoplight dito sa Legazpi. Kasi wala daw na stoplight dito. Human traffic. Bakit na human traffic ang nagsasign? Sabi ko, walang budget at ang Legazpi. Right, Zaki? Nag-stop pala muna kayo dito sa Highland. Kasi malapit na yung airport. Yung check-in ni Jen is 5:10. Eh, alas 4 pa lang. Sabi ko, dito muna kayo magpahangin. Tapos mamaya mag-SM kami. Laro muna sila. May oras pa kasi. Nagkataon na siya sa mga kakawat niya.
Dad was pushing me. Dad was pushing me.
Alis na kami. Pa-airport na tayo. Ang ganda ng mayon. Okay lang kita. When you go in, you will see that mayon. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's only 4 days.
How many days?
4 days. So pretty much just 3 days. Technically.
Yeah.
You go with your dad, Holly.
Yeah, Holly, go. Why can't this be like international?
Okay. Dito na tayo. Thank you. See ya. See ya. I love you too. Go, sad now. Let's go in. Hoy! 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 High five to... It's like that. It's like... Ganyan siya. Mabiro nga siya.
Say, Dad, love you. No. Wait, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Ang ganda ng volcano.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your eyes.
Dito pala tayo sa SM. Park lang si Uncle. No jumping there. Marina. It's full, I know. No. It's Sunday. It's family day. That's what, family day. So it's full. What? This one. There's chicken. You want that one? It's up to you. No, you can't. You cannot. Nagpila siya doon para kung sino ang mauna, ako or yung pinilahan niya. Hi, kaso ako nauna. Ayan, nag-dip na siya. Call, digdig kita ko. Digdig kami makaon. Digdig kami. Dito kami ni Uncle. Dito na, tapos dito ko na siya. Oo. Hi! Kami, ito yung pipili namin ni Uncle. Yung ribs. Tapos garlic. Tapos roasted squash. Thank you. Alright. Tara, Col. Ayan na sila. Wow, Zach. Forever, ano talaga, Jollibee. McDonald's. Which one is the best? McDonald's or Jollibee? Jollibee. Jollibee. Si Kuya, depende kay Kuya. McDonald's, yung ano. Kay TJ naman, yung steak, burger steak, gustong-gusto niya sa McDonald's. Good, Baba? Ayun, naubos niyo. Si Sak gustong-gusto niya, oh. Yeah? Lemonade. That's sour? Sour? Sour da, sabi niya.
Po, ma'am, sir, is yung sauce niyo po.
At saka, nag-order akong isa pang, fried rice. Yeah, thank you. So, ayan yung order namin. Ribs, mushroom, and garlic. What did you say, Zach? Tapos na kami, guys. Ang sarap. What did you say? Why? Makipera po siya. Makipera sila dito sa Philippines. Suki na sila ng Starbucks. Kung gusto, coffee ka man ako.
One name.
Sinabi talaga sa pangalan mo ko. Sinabi yung pangalan mo talaga.
Offer to go food.
Yes, please. Just wait, ha? Days. Okay, later na. Okay, for wood. Yeah, in the car na lang.
Okay, let's go wood.
Wood. Wood. Wood daw. Ang tawag kay Uncle Wood na. Uncle Wood. Dito tayo sa Serenity. Nag-take away tayo ng matcha taho. Ayan yung dalawa yan.
Tastes like cinnamon.
Nah.
It's so
I don't like. I'm so full. So, ayan yung matcha taho. Ang sarap nito, guys. Thank you. I take photo of you with Luluwood. Doon ka kay Luluwood. Yeah. Diyan ka, Sak. Stand up, Sak. Photo with Luluwood. Okay. Wait lang. Sino nga si Sak? Karoon ka dyan. Okay, smile. One. Sak! Smile nga, ni. Huling grabe sabi. Dito naman tayo sa Macau Imperial Tea. Masarap yung cheese ano nila, milk tea. Ang kulit ni Sak. In-order ko yung cheesecake and pearl milk tea na may extra cheesecake. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're going home. Alright, let's go. Guys, dito na pala kayo sa bahay ni Uncle. Nakauwi na tayo from Legazpi. Sara lang natin yung gate. Sara lang natin yung gate. Hala nga, butugon ma. Butugon ang kamot niya.
Ilang mo?
Si Kuya, Buko si Holly. Butugon ang kamot.
6:45, I took off the body.
Tumawag na si Jan. Where are you now, Han?
Dad, you lift your thumbs. Oh.
Mama will wash it daw. Palabanan mo daw kay ate.
Wait, Dad.
Where are you, Dad?
Manila.
Wow, fresh na si Mother. Naglo-lotion siya ng Likas Papaya. Ayo. Ang bango-bango. Si Holly, naririnig niyo. Naliligo na po siya. And ako, sabi ko kay Mama, parang gusto kong kumain ng gulay. Yun talagang gusto kong kainin gulay. Pero nag-SM nga tayo. Masarap din yung ribs. Pero konti lang naman yung nakain kong kanin. Masarap yung mushroom, yung side dish nung order namin na baby back ribs. Tapos yung squash, masarap din. Actually, masarap siya. Pero hindi ako tudong kumain. Hindi ko kinain masyado yung, yung fried rice. Kasi gusto ko ditong kumain. So, sabi ko kay Mama, may lato sana. Nagkupos na. Ano nagkupos? Nag-shrink na siya. Wala na siya yung parang, yun? Oil. Yung parang, di ba parang putok-putok numa? Wala ng tubig. Nagkupos na. Kung saan, na-flat na siya. Ayan si Mara. Hindi po yan natutulog na hindi naglo-lotion. Alagang lotion si Mother. Likas Papaya. Ano sa sabon mo, Ma? Ano yung sabon mo? Papaya din siya. Alagang papaya soap siya. Pero pinatry ko sa kanya yung coffee bar na sabon. Nagustuhan niya kasi para siyang inihilod ka. Nagustuhan niya. So, pinag-iisipan ko pag guys kung kakain ako. Meron akong tinake out na yung milk tea. Ay, yung cheesecake milk tea ba yun? Yun. Gusto kong inom kasi gusto kong mag-edit din. Hi guys, ayan, nakaligo na. I'm gonna spray, Baba. Get the spray. Anong? Nagbibikol na po siya. Ano po? Brush your hair. Come on, I'm gonna spray. May binila akong spray, yung Tiger Balm spray. And then, meron din siyang patch. So, halos yung mga ibang klaseng brand ng mga patch para sa lamok, lotion, tinatry ko po. So, ito naman yung yung Tiger Balm parang okay siya. Tapos may nakita kong spray. So, mas okay yun kasi para hindi siya. I think in that drawer, Baba. First drawer, please. You see it? Yes, that one. Yes, that patch too. That's it, that's it. Only one. Ayun po. Ayan siya. Ayan si Kuya Sandro. Si Kuya nasa kwarto niya na. May dad. Tapos si Kuya may ano siya. Nandun si Kuya sa kanyang kwarto. Okay, brush your hair. As Lola. As Lola. Mama. As Lola. Ayun niya. Gusto sana siyang paliguan ni Lola. Kasi nung bata pa siya, yung last uwi niya dito, baby pa siya, si Lola niya ang naliligo sa kanya. Ngayon, sabi ni Lola niya, paliguan kita. No, I know how to take a shower na. Kaya siya na po nagsha-shower sa sarili niya. Sabi ko kay Mama, ayaw mo yun? Hindi ka na mapapagod.
I take the bucket way.
The bucket way. Wala palang shower, guys. No, we do have shower.
I don't use the shower.
Yeah, hindi
I
niya.
use the bucket.
Mas gusto niya yung may tabo. May shower, tsaka may, ano kasi, may bucket and may tabo. Say tabo.
Tabo.
No. So, yun ang inano niya. Nice water. No, may heater din yung tubig. Pero hindi kami gumagamit ng heater na water. Kasi ang maligam-gam yung tubig. Ang sarap-sarap ng tubig. Hindi siya malamig, hindi rin siya mainit. Wala, may tumatawag. Si Daddy to. Si Daddy Jam. It's Daddy Baba. Hi, Daddy. Kumain siya ng steak. Say hi, Han. Ayan si Saki Boy.
What do you want? What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Let me see the room.
Let me see the room. Oh, nice
Oh,
room.
what is that? That's massive. You can sleep on that. What are you watching?
What are you?
I don't know. Some shark.
This was the one that we came here.
Just wait.
Massive room, honey.
It's not real big, but
It's nice. Malapit lang siya sa
Is that
airport.
comfy, Dad, the bed? Is the bed comfy?
yeah, it is actually.
You have a good sleep then.
Have a good sleep then.
I will. Don't worry.
Have a good sleep then. Holly is fresh, Daddy.
She's what?
Fresh.
Go up, go up.
So what you gonna do tomorrow, Han? Your flight is 6.
Yeah, I've got to be there at like 3 o'clock.
Yeah. So you're gonna leave 2?
I've got to.
But no, you're not far from the airport, so maybe 2:30.
Yeah, but I've got a late check out from 2 o'clock, so I can just hang around here.
Yeah, because you have casino. Don't go to casino.
I just went for a look in there. I'll go.
Na. Kasi malapit siya sa airport. Malapit siya sa... Your hotel is near the Hilton, right? Or Sheraton?
It's at Newport. I don't know wherever it is.
Oh, basta. Malapit lang siya doon.
But it's only like 5 minutes, 6 minute drive.
5 minutes, 6 minutes drive sa airport siya. I will try to... Ay! The spray, the Tiger Balm spray, I will use it tonight. There's Kuya.
You left him.
Give me some.
Did you have a shower? Did you brush your teeth? Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Give me some.
This is not Misolino. This is Asics.
Asics.
Asics, Dad. Look.
Daddy.
They're Asics. They're Asics. Marsha is Asics.
When he was little.
Oh, yeah.
Pinakita niya. Show me. Give me. I'll show you that. Pinapakita niya yung... Ito yung nasa Pinas kami. Oh, yan si Holly. Hindi niya makita.
Pakitain niyo yung messed up na face ni Holly.
Ayan, basta hindi makita nung nasa airport kami. Oh, may mango kasi dito. May Indian mango sa likod. Ayan. Are you gonna eat it tomorrow? Now? Okay. No. There's pillar. Be careful. What's that?
Show it. Look at that boy.
Kuya Zach. Kuya
Lloyd.
Lloyd.
See you in for 3 days, Dad. Bye-bye.
Daddy, see you in 3 days daw.
Guys, this is the one I'm going to use for my legs and arms and
Tighter ball.
face.
Busy
And
na
it's
siya.
like
Antok na yan. Okay, good night, Daddy. We love
night,
you.
Daddy. Love you, love you, love you. Have a safe trip.
Have a safe
Thanks,
flight.
Mom. Alright.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you.
Mwah.
No, you kiss him like this. Mwah.
Dad, he got mango from the tree.
Oh, wow, yeah.
It did fell on my head.
And he got beaten by bee.
Yeah.
Nothing? Where?
And Seb had here on the neck. Okay, Daddy, I love you. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Talk to you tomorrow.
What?
Bye, love you. Bye-bye na to, Daddy. Oh.
See you tomorrow, Uncle.
Uncle, bye, love you.
Oh, sorry, Mom. No, you kiss him like this, guys.
Bye.
Ayo, Ma.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Daddy. Sprayhan ko na tong batang to.
Oh, that doesn't feel like it.
Yeah. Oh, it smells like it. It smell, Okay. Okay, na-sprayan ko na yung legs niya. Okay, spread it, spread it. It's alright, you have to spread. Kinuha niya akong kanin. Sabi niya, ito lang daw ang kainin ko. Huwag daw ako magpasobra. We'll see. Oh, ayan na lang yung natirang gulay, guys. So, ayan na lang.
So you can have the egg?
No, I'm not, Kuya. You can have the egg. Ayan, sulat to. Oh, masiram pa, Ma.
Can I get some rice?
Okay. Yeah, you can get... Go get rice, yeah. Wash your hand. Okay, kain kami ni Kuya. Si Kuya kakain niya ng rice.
Lovely. Down to the swimming pool.
We'll see. What's the plan tomorrow? You have to... Sa aga na nila, ano ma?
Have to go.
Oo. Nagluto si Mama. Minuto. Yeah, okay.
Can you
Sarap, Ma.
cover them? Can you ask them?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. Zach said this
Yan mo ako.
was.
Yan si Kuya. Good night. Ayan.
You're so fine.
Thank you. Okay. Go to your bed now.
Mom, I'm sleeping.
You go here sleeping with me.
Never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew. 'Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.